Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel, SolidWorks tutorial for beginner. Let's do today the part 12. First of all, let's open SolidWorks. Okay, be careful like usual. Here, dimensions are in millimeter. Right click on front plane, normal to, then sketch. This is our drawing, part 12. This is the top view, and this is the section view. The section view, we have two circle cut here with two different diameter, and here we have a thread of M14. And be careful, don't miss the fillet here of radius 5. Let's start by drawing the top view. Circle. Diameter of the circle, outer circle, is 42 millimeter. Then let's draw the tangent line, like here, on the edge, mentioned in yellow. Another line there, also tangent to the circle, like mentioned in the yellow edge here. These two lines are equal. This line control this circle is tangent. This line control this circle is also tangent as mentioned. We have here a center line from the edge, horizontal. Like mentioned here, the center line, the distance of this center line is 120 millimeter. We can drag these two lines, then draw a mid-point line, vertical, as mentioned, and then do the trim in order to close the sketch. We can trim also this circle. Click select. Now let's do the extrude of 10 millimeter as mentioned here in the section view. 10 millimeter to the top. Feature, extrude, 10 millimeter. Let's save it. Part 12. Now let's continue to extrude this circle of 42 millimeter. Sketch, circle. This is the center of the circle. It's 42. We have an extrude of 50 millimeter from the bottom face. So 50 minus 10, so it's 40 millimeter. Feature, extrude. 40 millimeter. Okay, then save. Let's do these cuts. We have the small circle cut, diameter 12 millimeter. Normal to on this face, sketch, circle. Feature, extrude cut, through wall. Save. Let's do the other cut of 24 millimeter with depth of 28. Diameter also 24. With depth, extrude cut. 28 millimeter. So here I type 28, enter, save. Let's draw this section here. This is in the mid of the rectangle. So first of all, let's choose the mid plane. The top plane is the mid plane of the part. Right click, show, drag it, right click, normal to, another time, normal to, sketch, line, from the line here, horizontal, another line there, then return it before you click on it, then drag it another time in order to obtain the half circle, close it like this, right click, select, can hide this plane for a better vision. Let's insert dimensions, radius 10 millimeter, the center of the circle is distance 32. So here, what to do? We change the view in order to get the center. This is the center of this circle. To this point, 32. And we have the height here is 25 millimeter from this line to this center circle. On this line, the center circle, we type 25. Let's add the circle cut here with diameter 10 millimeter. Let's change the vision for a better view. Feature, extrude boss. Here, choose not one side, but choose mid plane. And the width here is 10 millimeter. Instead of 28, choose 10. Look, it's not fully closed. What to do? Click on this surface, sketch, convert entities, feature, extrude boss. Instead of line, up to surface, and choose this surface, then OK. Then click on save. Perfect, now it's fully closed. Let's draw this circle here with diameter 30. Let's draw a random circle. Diameter 30. Distant 42 from the center of this circle. We change direction. This is the center, the circle, and it's horizontal to the center of this circle, and its smart dimension 42. The extrude is 26 millimeter minus 10, so it's 16 millimeter. We have here a thread. It's not a circle cut, it's a thread of M14. Let's draw it. And it's in the center of the circle. Normal 2. We have here feature hole wizard, straight tab, metric, and choose here M14. This is M14. Tab drill through all. Now let's locate it, position. We put the cursor of the mouse on the edge of the circle in order to have the center. This is the center. And click on it, and yes, and it will cut it with a thread of M14. Save. Now let's draw this section here. Like mentioned, we have a fillet of radius 5. It's a rectangle extrude up to surface with 8. Normal 2. Sketch. Center rectangle. And it's located in the mid here. This line is horizontal. Drag it. And drag it to make it here. We have of width 8. Perfect. Now it's fully defined. We have the extrude up to surface, up to the upper surface. Feature extrude. Instead of blind, up to surface, on this surface, click on yes. Perfect, and save. We have here a radius of 5 of the edge. So let's click on fillet. This edge first of all, let's click on this edge. Fillet. Instead of choosing radius 10, we choose radius 5, and then click enter, and then click on yes. So this is our part. We can see the section view in the middle to see if we have drawn everything related to this part. This is our section view. How to do the section view in SolidWorks in this part? First of all, the section view should be in the mid plane of the part. We can choose the best plane is the top plane because the top plane is in the mid. You can give it a show here. You can click right click normal to, another time normal to, and here we have the cursor of the section view like mentioned here. We click left click on it and automatically it will cut it in the mid. Then click on OK. We can hide the plane for a better vision and we can rotate it. This is our part by a section view in the top plane that is in the mid plane of the part. Like mentioned here, we have drawn everything related. These two cuts there. It's also this thread M14. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.